In Chapter 1 here, we're going to talk about creating a Bentley ID. You have to have a Bentley ID in order to download data into ConceptStation. In Windows 7, the client ID is underneath the Bentley folder in your start, and you can just drag that out to the desktop if you want and create a shortcut there. And you can place that over on the desktop. And when you double click on that, what you want to do is just do a new user registration. And in there, you're going to give it your work email address. Then you're going to give your first and last name and click Register Now. And then it's going to tell you that the account has been created. And what you want to do then is go into the Forgot Password area, put in your email address, tell it that you're not a robot, and then go ahead and have that send you a password. Okay, and it'll send you the password, and you can go in and put in your new password and repeat that. You just have to make sure that they're the same, and then you can submit that. Okay. Once you've done that, you can go back into your connection client and type in your new password. And then you can sign into that. You'll have to go in and accept the questions that it asks you there. It'll tell you if you have an update available or not, any notifications that you have, any applications that need to be updated. For this particular one, we have the connection client that can need to be updated. A lot of times the first time you come in here, you'll need to update that. And you can update that connection client and get on the latest version. You can also go into applications and see if there's any that need to be updated, such as ConceptStation. There might be one for MicroStation or something like that. In here, you can also go into the Bentley Cloud Services and take a look at what's available to you out there after you have a new client ID. This is something we may utilize in the future, but currently we don't really use that. Okay, so we can minimize the connection client, and then once you minimize it, it actually goes into a list of tools that are available at the bottom of the screen. And then you can still access it from there. So you are logged on, and if you're not sure, you can go in and actually open that up from that same location, and it'll tell you that you're logged in.